So over the last 6 months, we've been working on fencing in about 2 acres of our property with this pole fencing. And we wanted to show you what putting one of these in involves. And no surprise, it's a lot of work. We just got all the material last week to finish our job. The fence right now is about halfway completed. We're trying to complete the rest of it before the summer heat comes. So we have a variety of tools here that we have been using for this project. Once you're able to get one of these poles in, you pretty much just rinse and repeat and you can get them all in. One of our favorite tools is this Harbor Freight auger, gas-powered auger. This is basically a gas-powered shovel that helps us dig these holes really fast. Another one we use pretty frequently is this T-post pusher. And even though we aren't using T-posts here, these poles are just wide enough that this fits into the pole, and it helps us get a little bit more depth when we sink these poles in our hard soil here. Another aspect of the job is the materials we're using. This is old 2 3/8 oil pipe, and these are called structural pipe fittings. And we got a whole bunch of these, and these create the weld-free hanging brackets for the fence. You just need a lot of this oil pipe and cut it down into your specific lengths. For our fence, we're doing 10-foot rails on the top, and then approximately 6.5-foot posts, and we're sinking about at least 1/3 of this post into the ground. And that's kind of a rule of thumb for fences. You want to sink at least 1/3 of your post, of any post, into the ground to provide good structural support above the ground. Other than that, we use concrete and a whole lot of concrete mixing tools, water, post leveler, and pea pebble as well. The pea pebbles help support the post from compressing more into the ground with the weather and the rains. So we sprinkle a little pea pebble, about 2 or 3 inches of pea pebble, into the bottom of the hole before putting concrete on top. We mix all of our concrete in this plastic pan right here. This is another one of our favorite tools. This is a very heavy duty post hole digger. We picked this up from Tractor Supply. The quality at Tractor Supply is much better than the quality that Home Depot had. We bought one at Home Depot, and then we saw this at Tractor Supply and ended up returning the one at Home Depot because the quality on this one, you can just tell, is a lot stronger. We use this to scoop out the hole on the rocks and the dirt after we do the hole auger. So let me show you now what doing one of these posts look like. And when the fence is complete, we will have done 90 to 100 of these posts. But we're only going to show you one right here for this quick video. So follow me, let's get started. We're just DIYing it. We are not professionals. We don't have, experience doing this. you have it. If you like what you saw, please like the video, subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of videos coming out. We'll keep you updated on this fencing project as it goes along. I'm estimating another 2 to 3 months of work before this thing is close to finished. Thanks for watching Saguaro Farm. We'll see you next time. But we're only going to show you one right here for this quick video, so. What? Car.